वरुण धवन
हाँ जी।
के दिल को जानने की कोशिश करेंगे।
हम्म।
ये हमारा स्क्रीन वर्क राउंड AKA सोल राउंड।
सोल राउंड, ओके।
तो कुछ कुछ क्लिप्स हैं, कुछ कुछ फोटोज हैं।
बजट वाली चीजें आ रही है थोड़ा TRS के सेट पे। ओके, जीना इसी का नाम।
बेस्ट शो होता है
ये मेरा बहुत मजाक उड़ाया गया था।
नहीं, इट्स सो रियल।
Look at my brother, how good looking he is.
क्या याद है ये सेट के बारे में?
हाँ याद है, that's my chacha over there and both my chachas, Anil Dhawan and Ashok Dhawan.
About his past and his present. Now we are going to talk about his future.
Which is?
As a dad, my only complaint against him is that he works too much. And we can't see him do that. From now on, he's going to make one film a year. And he's going to say it right now.
और से कि ये दुनिया के सबसे अच्छे बाप है और मैं भगवान से खाली ये प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि मैं वापस जन्म लूँ तो यही मेरे माँ बाप हैं।
I was going to tier 2.
क्यूटी।
See, रोहित आके इंग्लिश में डायलॉग बोला, मैंने हिंदी में बात किया, तो मैंने वो टनल में ही प्लान कर दिया था कि मैं tier 2 के लिए जा रहा हूँ।
वाह वाह।
मैंने बोला मेरा एम tier 2 है भाई।
मासेस वरुण धवन बनना था तब भी।
हाँ ऑब्वियसली
सोचे थे
100% ना, क्योंकि आप टीवी पे आ रहे हो।
आपकी एज क्या थी तब? 16 मस्ट बी।
नहीं उससे भी कम,
14
और समथिंग।
तब से ही हीरो बनना था।
जब से पैदा हुआ तब से ही भाई
एक बार फिर से वही वीडियो खोलो।
बनना था, मतलब ऑब्वियसली मेरे को कुछ एंटरटेनमेंट में कुछ करना था, बट फिर
टेक इट टू वरुण टॉकिंग।
About his past and his present. Now
क्या
we are
feel
going
हो
to
रहा
talk about his future.
no, it's great.
As a dad,
It's
my
great
only
seeing
complaint against
them.
him is that he
You know,
works
honestly,
too
when I
much.
see all of this, I only
And we
see
can't
Rohit. I only
him
see my
do that.
brother.
From now on, he's
Not
gonna make
yourself?
one film.
No, I see my brother.
And he's going to
Are
say
you
it
proud
right
of how
now.
far you've come?
और से कि ये दुनिया के सबसे
Yeah.
अच्छे बाप है
No, I'm not. I like I say, I only see my brother.
प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि मैं
I
वापस
only
जन्म
see
लूँ
my
तो
brother.
यही मेरे
Right now, I can see my dad giving me a bear hug, obviously. But my dad and me are a lot alike. So if that makes sense, that is the same energy. Since you understand this energy
yeah, bro.
frequency shit, that is the energy. That is the same energy. Both of us are the same force over there. He's different. My brother is different. So when I see that, I only recognize that energy that is behind both of us. So we are where we are because of him standing over there.
आपकी लाइफ में क्या रोल है भाई का?
बहुत बड़ा रोल है, बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा भैया।
या करियर वाइज भी?
भैया सब कुछ त्याग देते हैं, छोटे भैया को आगे कर देते हैं हर चीज में, बहुत ही
वो आपके वेंटिंग के
सब चीज में
Okay.
भैया बहुत ही सही है।
इज ही द क्लोजेस्ट सोल टू यू?
ही इज द क्लोजेस्ट टू एन आइडियल सोल फॉर मी।
ये आपके आइडियल
हाँ.
ये आपके आइडल है?
हाँ.
ओके ऑलराइट।
बहुत वेज में, बहुत वेज
Okay.
में,
आप कह रहे हो कि आपकी एनर्जी आपके पापा के एनर्जी से बहुत ज्यादा मैच करती है?
बहुत ज्यादा, बहुत ही ज्यादा।
एक बहुत घिसा पिटा सवाल पूछूंगा आपसे। ओके, आप डायरेक्ट करोगे कभी?
करना है, मैंने किया है, काफी शॉर्ट फिल्म्स बनाई है। एक अर्जुन को लॉन्च करने के लिए बनाई थी जिसका नाम है वाइट माउंटेन। फिर
लंबे बाल थे।
हाँ, फिर एक बनाई थी द मेमोर्स ऑफ अ बॉय विच वाज ऑन अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन कविश। जब वो मेरे घर आता था, खाना खाता था, तो मैं कैमरा हाइड कर देता था, एंड देन व्हेन ही इज ईटिंग and I made it like it's a very symbolic film. So I compared him to a bat. So there would be bats outside my house. So वो bat ऐसा zoom in कर देता, the bat should open the wings and fly. तो कविश जब खाता था and he would get energy and he would jump on the bed या कुछ ऐसा बोलता था. So I kept cutting from the bat to Kavish, from the bat to Kavish.
पर कुछ ऐसे visions है खुद के लिए for directing comedies?
Yeah. Then I did one film also, People Are Strange, which is me. I was very unwell that time. I had a cold and I had taken a lot of antibiotics and stuff like that. And you feel like drowsy. So it's me talking to myself 3-4 hours in the future. So me unwell, talking to myself, me feeling better. And having this conversation.
Black Mirror fan हो आप?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay.
100%.
But are you a fan? Like, do you really enjoy that show?
Yeah, I do. I enjoyed it at that phase a lot. When I was doing all these things.
मतलब for yourself, what do you watch in terms of fictional content?
Yeah, right now, I mean, I would watch a lot of Family Guy. If you've seen, I watch a lot of Family Guy
इसलिए
just to laugh.
up sense of humor.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I still watch a lot of Friends once in a while.
कौन से character से relatability feel होती है Friends में?
Joey Chandler.
Okay. Fusion.
Yeah, fusion. Responsibility with that. And Lately, yeah, I mean, there will be shows. I was obsessed with Dexter at one time. I was obsessed with Lost.
Yeah, you've seen full Lost?
Yeah, full.
You're one of the...
Full.
Okay.
I'm one of those people.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
I think Lost ka season 1 na
Amazing,
is a filmmaking
It's
masterclass.
the best. It's the best ever.
Right?
Yeah, so a lot of these shows, I've binge watched lots and lots of them, you know.
अब कुछ देख रहे हो?
Suits भी देखा है.
Okay.
अब तो भैया नहीं अभी तो फिलहाल कुछ देखा नहीं है recently कुछ. I know there's this film which has come out, everyone's talking about it, called Substance. Have you heard about it? Where the old like Demi Moore has done it, and that's quite
New film.
yeah, it's supposed to be unbelievable.
Okay. Dave देखा? Lil Dicky का
Yeah.
Dave? Okay. Great.
That shit's amazing.
Huh?
Amazing.
Throw back to our sense of
Bro,
humor.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love that show.
Yeah. क्योंकि depth भी है.
I thought I'm like the only, like I've seen it and I called up Shakun when I saw it, Shakun Batra. So he had seen it as well. Very few people get that, so like I like
Yeah.
that.
People don't like that show. Not
People
everyone
don't,
likes that show.
people don't like that. They get offended. अच्छा तुमको ये पसंद है.
Yeah. So, but it is a show.
It is a
On-
fuck show. Yeah.
Each episode is about a new insecurity of a guy.
Yeah, insecurity and the people he meets and all that. So it's great. He meets
But
new.
कुछ relatability feel होती है Dave के साथ?
No, because I camouflage the weirdness. Like you don't camouflage. You go full weird. Is what I've realized.
yeah.
You're like, जो भी आए, if they get creeped out, they get creeped out. मैं ऐसे ही हूँ. This is me. This is the energy. You're not masking yourself so much, which is ballsy. Which is ballsy.
Thanks.
But I have to camouflage a little bit.
ये आपको बताया गया है पर
बताया नहीं मेरे को समझदार हूँ ना भाई मैं अगर
जीना इसी
public
के नाम से.
हाँ मैं पब्लिक में अगर जाऊंगा और फुल वियर्ड जाऊंगा लोगों के सामने तो मैं ऐसे करने लगूंगा तो लोग बोलेंगे ये किसके लिए पार्टी है ये ना. So everyone has to camouflage their like their weirdness unless you're Parsi. I'm married to one, so okay. हाँ.
पारसी से बहुत relatability feel होती
They are funny, bro. They are genuinely funny, don't you think?
मेरे जिंदगी के बेस्ट फ्रेंड उनका नाम है जरवान बंशा.
100%.
At Bansha on
He
Insta.
must be funny for sure. Oh, he's that guy who does those accents.
Yeah.
He's your friend?
Yeah, child chaddi
Bro,
bunny.
Natasha trips on him. She finds him damn funny.
Yeah. And also पारसीज की स्पेशलिटी है कि हमारे जैसे कि weird भी है but very very good.
You know, one more thing. I have before. I mean, I'm married now, but before I've dated a lot of Parsis. Like I must have dated 50% of the community. I'm not lying. I swear. I've had a lot of Parsi girlfriends in the past.
And what do you want to say about Parsis?
They're great, bro. They're funny.
Positive energy.
And they're very funny, man.
Yeah.
They're hilarious.
Yeah. If I hang out with Parsis, my soul feels healed.
I've had like the funniest laughs with them, bro. The best time.
Okay.